Happy Mail Queen. I'm here to share another haul video with you guys, and this video is a Maggie Holmes haul. And I've been a little late to picking up Maggie Holmes collections, I guess. But lately I'm just loving it, and I've been finding some of her older collections here and there online because it's hard to find them anywhere now. I mean, they do sell them at Tuesday morning, you know, but it's kind of a hit or miss. So anyway, yeah, and it's really hard to find the ephemera pieces now of her older collections, but I was able to find a couple of things. So first of all, let me just share like just random Maggie Holmes stuff. I don't even really have all the things, but you know, these aren't collections or anything, but this is part of the Gather. And recently I had picked up the paper pad at Joann's, and it's just a small 6x6 paper pad. I don't know yet if I'm going to get the bigger one, but I'm thinking, you know, maybe I'll just look for it at Tuesday morning. Eventually maybe they'll have it. But I really fell in love with the cute stamps. And look at this unicorn and then the ballerina. I just think it's really cute. And I have looked at this collection and I really love the colors in this one. So yeah, but some of this other stuff, like I've found some tassels that go with this collection. I mean, it's too expensive online, so yeah, I'm just gonna wait until I find a really good deal. Okay, so far I only have like a couple of things. Like I said, the 6x6 and this one from the Gather collection. This one's a really old one, and I do have the 6x6 of this one, and I'm not even sure where I got it, if it was gifted to me or if I might have bought it from Tuesday morning. But this is the style board. And I also got this online because it was one of those, I think it was one of those add-ons on Amazon, and it was really cheap. Like, I think it was only $4 or, you know, something like that. It was really inexpensive. And you get all these journaling cards, and I just think they're really pretty. So, like I said, I only have the 6x6 in this one. I've not been able to find anything else from this collection. So, I mean, anything that, you know, I want to get anyway. But there's 20 journaling cards in this one, and this is really old. I think this is like, I don't even know if there's a year on this. The Gather one is, I think, 2014. And then this one, I'm not even sure. I think this might even be older. I don't know. But really cute. So I got that. So like I said, these are just kind of random things. This is not a Maggie Holmes. This is the only thing that's not Maggie Holmes. I did get this from Amazon, and it got a good rating. And I kind of want to just practice my stamping. And it's really cute because you can layer the flowers. And I don't know. I just kind of want to experiment on it before taking the plunge and buying like the really expensive Altenew, you know, stamps. So, but this one got a good rating, and somebody actually posted a picture on Amazon, you know, on the reviews. And so it was only like $5, I think, something like that, really cheap. So I thought, oh, I'm going to go ahead. I mean, it looks like it, you know, came from China. That's what it looks like. So anyway, just because I'm loving blooms right now. Okay, so the other one that I was looking at also, you guys might remember that I had purchased this one, the open book, just to kind of, you know, so you can get an idea again of how this paper looks like. This is an older collection too. I think this is, wow, I don't know, this is 2014. Sorry, the other one might have been, this is 2016. Gather is 2016. So this is 2 years ago. This one is 2014. So this is even older. But there are some of the papers that I just really love, especially the florals, of course. don't care for the greens that much, but this one's okay. And this one's okay because of the yellow flowers. This is my favorite. But anyway, I did find online, and of course I had to pay a little bit more, but I absolutely had to get the chipboard. I wanted it. So I did find this and decided to go ahead and make a purchase. I think I got it on Amazon, so it wasn't crazy cheap or anything, but I figured, you know, like I said, it's a hit and miss if I'm trying to find these things on Tuesday morning. And I haven't been able to go to Tuesday morning lately, so because I'm not working in that area right now. I've been pretty much in another area, so there's no Tuesday morning around where I'm working right now. Okay, so I did also find these stickers, and I don't know if this is rose gold or if it's just regular gold. I think it's just regular gold, but again, this is from the open book. So I found the stickers, and they're embossed. So there's hearts. It says happy day, today, sweetness, our story. Really cute. And I didn't even know it was this big. I'm here thinking it was like a small one. So totally worth it. And I can't remember how much I paid, but I think I got this also from Amazon. And I can't even tell you what the prices are, because if you shop at Amazon, it does kind of fluctuate. Prices do fluctuate. So, but I'm sure I didn't pay more than like $7 for this. I don't think so. I think it was probably $5 something. This one too, I got some more stickers. These are accent stickers, and I just love the deer, and I love the colors in this collection as well. You know, as far as, I wish I could find the ephemera, but yeah, I don't know. It's going to be kind of hard to find ephemeras. Oh, actually, I did find one of the ephemeras. I don't know. I found the blooms. So the floral ephemeras I did find. So isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, look. And I remember looking at this on AC Digitals, and when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Like, I thought this was even prettier than the Flourish floral ephemeras. So I had to find it, you guys. I had to find it, and here it is. I finally got it. And I don't know, maybe some of you guys probably have already seen this. Like I said, it's old, but you know, I'm kind of new to the whole Maggie Holmes craze. Just this year, actually, I started collecting some of her pieces, collections from her pieces. I mean, her pieces, some of the pieces from her collection. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. I'm like so super excited about all this, all the Maggie Holmes stuff that I was able to find. And then, okay, so let me get rid of that one. And I found, and it was very inexpensive, because I was looking for the Flourish. I was thinking, I think I want the Flourish 12 by 12. Now that, you know, at first I only got this one. I had gotten a bundle, and it only came with the 6 by 6. And I thought, you know, I'm not that crazy about the paper anyway, but it just kind of grew on me. So I decided I wanted some 12 by 12s. Well, instead of getting the big 12 by 12, you know, paper pad, I saw a little bundle that they had, and it was only $14.99 on Scrapbookcom. I believe it's still there, so if you guys are interested. But this is exclusive to Scrapbook.com only. And I do remember Maggie Holmes, a video that I saw of Maggie Holmes saying that it is exclusive only to Scrapbook.com, and some of the papers are different. So as you can see here, if you guys remember the Flourish, it has like darker colors. Like there's this one here with, you know, there's just not as much pinks, I think. But anyway, I'll show you. I'll just show you, I'll show you the papers first, just so you can get an idea that it's different. And I only got, I think it's only, how many? I can't remember if it's only 6 patterns in this one, but let me show you guys in case you guys are interested, and I will leave the link down below in the description box. Here's this one. This one's called Maiden Hair, and I think, just to compare, I think this one is similar to this one, because it's a totally different color palette, but it's the same design. If you guys really look closely, the florals are the same, but she did it in blue here, and then for the Scrapbook.com exclusive, she did it in the pinks with the yellow background. And then the back of these are, look, they are solids, and they're pretty solids, as you can see here. So there's 2 of each. So this is in the kit, you guys. The kit does not come with this. I'm just showing you this 6x6 in comparison. You have this, which is not in this paper pad either. You do have a black and white, this one, but it's very different. As you can see, the flowers are completely different. These are not roses, but I still love them. They're so pretty. This one is called Skylark, and then on the back you have this like kind of a mustard color. So there's those 2, and then you don't have this also in this. I don't think you even have that design. No, you don't. And then in the back of this one's called Noble, and on the back of this one, it's pink. Pink solids. And then this one, look how pretty. Wow, so pretty. And look, you have this teal. I sometimes like that, you know, plain background, because sometimes it's hard to choose, like, which one? Oh, and this is my favorite out of this collection. This one's called Unforgettable. And you do not have anything like that's all pink in this. You have the salmon color, but you do not have, like I said, it's not, you don't really have a lot of pinks. I mean, you have pinks, splashes of pinks, but you don't have like a solid pink like this. And then the back, it kind of has this, I guess it's kind of like a dark coral color. And this one is called Unforgettable, like I think I said that already. But look how pretty this pattern is. So I opted to get this one instead of just the regular 12x12 paper. This one is called Splendid, and again, it's beautiful. It's kind of like, it's gold, but you know, it's not like shiny metallic. It's like a matte gold. And then on the back of that, it's a salmon color. Isn't that pretty? So I really love this. You know, and I would definitely use these shades. Like I said, you know, the greens are a little dark for me, but you know, with the pink flowers, I love it. So that is the paper, and I think there's 6, I think I showed you 6 patterns, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 12. So this is already like $12 worth of stuff, and the whole thing was $14.99. So yeah, it doesn't come with this, but it does come with these 2. So it's the 12 papers and then these 2. And here are the stickers. And this one says it's exclusive too, so I think it is a little bit different. And I don't believe I have the stickers for the regular Maggie Holmes. I mean the regular Flourish. I can't even talk, seriously. But here's the ephemera, and I kind of compared, and as far as I know, everything else is the same, except it does have more vellum pieces in this one, and I don't think you have this hummingbird in that other collection. I mean the other ephemera piece. This one has more too. This has 50 ephemera pieces versus the other one I think only has 40. 40. Here. Here's this one. This is the other one that is the regular collection. So 40 ephemera pieces. And if you compare, the only thing that's really not here is the hummingbird and these florals right here, this butterfly, these florals. And I think all these on the bottom, those are not included in this one. So again, this one that has more is the one from Scrapbookcom only. It's a scrapbook exclusive. And they have a sale on it, so that's why I was able to get this thing for $14.99. I thought it was the best way to go instead of, like, you know, getting the 12 by 12 sheets, because I mean, you know, the big 12 by 12 pad, because that alone would have cost me more. And this way I get more ephemera pieces, which I absolutely love, more than the paper, like I've mentioned before. I mean, it's still pretty. I love it. So yeah, that is my haul. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you guys have a great Friday. Tomorrow's Friday, so that's awesome. And stay tuned because I do have another Michaels haul for you guys. Oh, sorry, small Michaels and a Hobby Lobby haul. Mostly Hobby Lobby, actually. So thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.